Bah Prestone tun song sembun bidang bah kejala Meghalaya ulapan pau bah kajing songya ban jubab ik jingkynnoh usaket Gokhale nong ai kitien ko All India Trinamool Congress dakaba ong bah kwa ban penut por ban yakren halor jonggu ulo ong bah kipai bah kejala kitip lau Gokhale uej bat don jing song ni em nak benta kejala Meghalaya.
So my statement stands. So why should I spend time with a person who does not have anything to do? And we really don't know also how much he loves, how much he cares about Meghalaya. I think you all know also. He's from which place, and then he's talking as if he's part and parcel of the Meghalaya, but he is not at all. And that's what I'm telling you. I never seen a so-called national spokesperson. When you made any allegation, you need to also bring in the documentary proof. Otherwise, just for the sake of saying that MDA government is a thief, I think I will not at all spend time with this fellow. I don't have time. We are governed by the rules, the executive rules of the government, be it in Meghalaya or be it any other states within India. We are doing that. We are being guided. We are being governed by the executive rules. So therefore, again, as I said to you, back to square one, his allegation is baseless.